Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. Connor here on my upgraded Razor MX 500. Tonight we're getting a quick group ride in with Affiliate E-Riders group. It's Friday night, 80 degrees, 30% chance of rain. And yeah, we're just gonna rip this thing. Just gonna pull right up to the meetup spot here. Had a couple cops give me some interesting looks on the way over here, and we kept it together. Woo! Impending wind again for another storm. Let's get a one-hander in here. Oop, straighten her out. We'll get it at some point here. Woo! There they are. What's up? Alright guys, well per usual with these rides, it's taken forever to start. And I'm losing concentration, or patience rather, so I'm gonna hit a couple circles and I might just rip it myself real quick because I got things to do, places to be, people to see, and I just don't like riding in the dark really. So it's light out, it's like golden hour to ride and film, so get a cheeky little one-hander in quick. We're getting the one-handers now. What's good? Alright, finally about to ride out. Whew. Well, goddamn, Kurt. Well, Kurt got a flat. Sucks. Oh, it's starting to rain. Alright, I guess I'm leading this down the river trail. Try and get some one-handers in. Woo! Back on the same trail as the last video, but this is a lot of fun. So we're gonna rip it. And we got the group this time. How much power does that have? Yeah.
72 volts, 40 amp hour, 5,000 watts.
Damn, did you build it yourself or is like it a kind of a kit?
Nah, I built it from scratch.
Damn, dude.
I bought every single part separately.
That's sick, dude. It's a cool ass looking bike. Alright, let's get a little break one-hander here quick. Just try and get a longer one. Those kids recording a TikTok right there. Slow it down for these fellas. Woo! Shred on the gravel here a bit. Peace, y'all. Woo! These are so hard. God damn it. Don't worry, I won't hit you. Wave to him. Could have split that gap, but I didn't. See, that's all coaster, so I should be able to remove my throttle hand. It's just very scary to do. That's all coast right there. Knee knock again. Wait, that feels good right there. I'm like centered on the seat with my knee. That feels decent. There we go. All right. Yeah, guys, I mean, we just came down the same trail I've come down the past 3 videos, but it's good. I'm still out here practicing, definitely getting better, which is the most important. That scooter's pretty quick, I have to say. I mean, it looks pretty beefy. Jeez, this is sweet over here, especially at night. All coaster there. See, that's where we could really take our throttle hand off, but my throttle hand is like freaking locked onto this thing. Man, I put a lot of trust in these brakes. Yo, so how fast does that go? Over what? Damn, that's fast, dude. On that little thing? Or those with those little wheels, that is? Now you guys can see, and so can I. Dude, I'm most certainly blinding everyone with this light. Well, let's put it up in the air then. Can we do a seat spreader? Oh, kinda. Let's take this way. Let's see if we can wheelie up this and take this turn up here. I think foot down we can do it. Yeah. And back to the start as always. Too much time I spent right in this vicinity.
Oh, that was bad.
Alright, later bro. Good ride. What's that? It's homemade, yeah. Homemade. Yeah?
That's a really big one. How long is the battery?
It lasts about like 30 miles, so it's like 2 to 4 hours. You guys will have to convince her, it seems. Yeah, it's fun.
How many miles per hour does it go?
It'll go 40. Well, have a good night, guys. I'm gonna keep riding.